With regards to disposing of that additional weight, there are a huge amount of solid schedules you can join, like exercise, adjusted eating, and psychological wellness deceives. Yet for the individuals who need to get thinner quick, there's another choice. Please tap on subscribe button for more interesting videos. The lemon water purge has been around for quite a long time, being the main water detox that got ubiquity because of the medical advantages it conveys. The motivation behind why numerous individuals have accomplishment on this purge is on the grounds that the lemon is a characteristic diuretic. It replaces some other refreshments you would drink, and lemons have significant nutrients and cancer prevention agents. Here is the thing that you have to think about lemon water for losing 1 kilogram every day. How does lemon water help you lose weight? Lemons contain flavonoids which help shield your body's cells from getting harmed. Lemons contain nutrient C and potassium, which brings down your circulatory strain levels and supports heart well-being. Lemons normally support your digestion, so getting into the propensity for drinking lemon water regularly can keep your digestion running at a more significant level. It will smother your hunger, which will assist you with devouring less calories. It helps increment your ingestion pace of supplements, which can help keep you full more. How to prepare lemon water? Fortunately, this is an amazingly simple as everything necessary in chilly water and some new lemons from your neighborhood market. You can do this a few different ways, either 1. Cut the lemon down the middle and press the lemon juice into an ice solid shape plate and leave that sit in the cooler spot in your water before drinking. 2. Cut the lemon into cuts and toss those legitimately into your beverage when you go to have it. 3. Make a lemon mixed water joining mint, lemon, and cucumber into a pitcher with cold water. 4. Warm the water up until it is warm, and afterward include lemon squeeze, mint, and nectar into a bowl with the warm water. Let it sit for around 30 minutes and afterward place it in the ice chest. Appreciate for the duration of the day subsequent to stressing the mint forgets about. At the point when you go to devour your lemon water, place an ice shape into the beverage, as it will make your body work more earnestly to warm the ice block up, in this way consuming off more calories. On the off chance that you might want to lose up to 1 kilogram every day, at that point drink this lemon water before breakfast, before bed, and once in the center of the day. With respect to food, expend things like plates of mixed greens, organic products, chicken, fish, nuts, eggs, and apple juice vinegar, as these things will keep your food calorie restricted to a sound number. By following these means, you will have the option to lose up to 1 kilogram per day.